as a marketer and your campaigns rely on value optimization and kind of measuring LTV of your cohorts against your cost of acquisition, something like Voyantis is a must. Like, I think it's going to be very, very hard for you to be able to maintain any level of efficiency without that, without that level of modeling. Now, aside from that, I think, as I said before, I think direct response marketing is going to change drastically, and that is going to affect strategy for how we do digital marketing across multiple levels. If you think, the most basic way to think about it is, for example, creative. Your ability, because of how Apple is changing attribution and how they're structuring their SKAd network, kind of conversion analytics and attribution analytics, it's going to be very, very hard to directly attribute results to specific creative elements, right? So how many variants you're creating? Are you tweaking concepts that you have, or are you testing very, very different concepts? All those are big strategy decisions that, I think teams will need to start thinking differently around. And then generally, I think we've become as digital marketers very relied on our data, and very relied on the fact that we can look at channel side metrics and look at exactly the return on ad spend for that channel, and then kind of use that to communicate the efficiency of our channel to kind of the business side and to the executive team. So, and that is going to change, and we'll have to rely a lot more on looking at blended return on ad spend and other tools that will help us understand whether we're doing a good job or not.